at Caesar's Palace in Atlantic City. This is a Centurion Tower Ocean View King. The 31st floor, at least it's number 31. Walk into, I've been at this resort a few times, the really nice bathroom, really nice shower. Mirror, amenities, private bathroom. A nice king bed. We have closets and probably the safe, in-room safe. TV, which is bed facing, nice. Mirror and a corner room, which is nice. So this is what they call an ocean view. It's not front of the house, but you can see it pretty good. Coffee maker. And a view into Atlantic City, which isn't that much, but at least we're elevated. So this is a Centurion Tower Ocean View King.